Welcome back, everybody. It's Joseph here for Zenny62. So, on the brink of Donald Trump's rally, disguised as a 4th of July celebration, Don Jr.'s girlfriend, Kimberly Guilfoyle, has tested positive for COVID 19. Now, the 51-year-old former Fox News anchor was also married to current California Governor Gavin Newsom. Now, keep in mind that the White House's own health officials have warned the president against mass gatherings, as well as other reputable agencies like the CDC. And so we have a president that doesn't care about anybody but himself and what the optics are that he has to be in front of Mount Rushmore and celebrate 4th of July. Now, keep in mind, this is the same president that was propagating that this virus was a Democratic hoax. The same hoax who has now infected close members to his own family. And speaking of his own family, when questions were asked if Don Jr. also tested positive, this is what was said. Chief of Staff for the Trump Victory Finance Committee said in a statement, Donald Trump Jr. was tested negative. Now, let's think about that statement. Was tested negative as opposed to a test was given and the test came back negative? Why was that word used was and not has? What are they trying to hide if they are hiding something? Now think about it. Kimberly Guilfoyle, his girlfriend, who he spends a lot of time with and who seizes every opportunity to be in the limelight, tests positive, but supposedly Don Jr. has not. But as a precaution, that statement further read, is also self-isolating and is canceling all public events. So the hoax that doesn't exist has created Don Jr. to self-isolate and cancel all public events. Well, why are you doing that? I thought this didn't affect the Trumps. I guess it didn't affect the thousands upon hundreds thousands of people who have died. Now, why would you isolate yourself if this is not a big deal, if this is not an issue? And why cancel all public events while Daddy continues to ignore even people within his own bubble coming down with the virus? Someone like that we cannot trust. Someone like that should not be respected, and someone like that should not continue to be the president of the United States. A real leader doesn't knowingly jeopardize thousands of lives on a potentially deadly virus. Keep it here on Zenny62 and don't forget to like and subscribe.